Hey dudes, how's it going? Okay, so what's going on here is, well, I'll show you. My mom's mowing the lawn, and come in here, we see the Gokart. Okay, and as we've taken this motor out, I've realized that it's way too small. We're gonna remake this out of wood. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
How's it go?
You want to
So,
do what now?
yeah, I will in a little bit. Gotta do something.
Well, the sun's going to be down here soon.
Okay.
So if you want, I can do it.
No, I'll do it. I'm gonna do it.
Let me just back it up.
So what we did is, my uncle gave me this old mower. 6 horsepower. It's a lot bigger. Had it for a little while. And what we did to it is we just took the blade off of it. That's not the, we did not cut it off. That is actually the cover that held it in, the little latchy thingy. And I just thought I'd just let you hear it because it's kind of, there's a really cool sound to it. It sounds like a real car. So it's really hard to start. And that's how we do it in Colorado.